I just found a platform where you can make money online from anywhere in the world, whether you are in Kenya, Uganda, US, UK, or Australia. This platform has been here for around 2 years, and it is a platform where it offers different services like email marketing. You can create your own blog there. You can create your own affiliate program, and you can also sell courses. If you don't have a course to sell or a product to sell, you can be an affiliate and earn 60% commission. All you need to do is to grasp this 4 steps on how to make money with affiliate marketing. There is a course on making money online that goes for $17 only, and it is a 4 days intensive guidance where you learn everything to deal with affiliate marketing. So if you are interested and you want to learn and you are serious and you really want to put in the work and efforts in making money with affiliate marketing, I would recommend this course. But if you don't have money or anything, just go to YouTube. There are many videos on how to make money online on YouTube. If you are that kind of a person who don't want to invest anything, just go to YouTube and learn. Of course, it will take you a long time, but that is the route I took. But it took me a while. But right now, since I have money, I invest in courses because that is the fastest way to make money online. Right now, we are in the era of information. If you don't have the information, then you will be left out. Make sure that you invest in information first in order to shorten your learning curve, and it will be easier for you to make money. People are really making money outside here. All you need is be disciplined and be ready to do the work. There is no shortcut here. You have to create value, create solution, and in exchange of that, you make money. You cannot just collect money anywhere. Money is there, but you have to be